All right. Hi. We are in chapter 2. We're finally finishing or starting lesson 2. Lesson 1, 2.1 was like 6 days long. And so we're starting with point slope form. So this is going to be a formula that you will use when you are told the slope is this and a point on the line is this. So point slope form is found by plugging in the given slope m, so we'll be told what the slope is, and a point xy. So I'm going to put little stars above the things that we replace. You're going to replace this y1, you're going to replace this m, and you're going to replace this x1. The other x and the other y will stay an x and a y. So x1 and y1 are the point you are given, x, y. Example 1. Write the equation of the line in the graph in point slope form. Well, I see that the slope is, because I'm starting with this point, and I'm rising and running. Rise 4, run -3. See how I'm going 3 to the left? My slope is 4 over -3, or -4/3. Rise over run. Rise 4, run 3 to the left. So, here we go. My point that I'm given is -1, 2. That's x1, y1. So what I need to do is I need to use this formula up here. The y is going to stay a y. Y minus y1 is 2 equals m, -4/3. Parentheses, x minus x1, -1. Watch the signs. X minus negative, minus a negative, minus minus. This is a big plus. So this needs to be distributive property. Y minus 2 equals -4/3 x minus 4/3. You're like, 4/3? Well, if I'm going to be making this a y-intercept, I can't do 4/3. I need to change it to a mixed number. So I'm going to rewrite it as a mixed number. What is 4/3? Sorry. What is 4/3 as a mixed number? 4/3 as a mixed number. Yes. Thanks, Juan. 1 and 1/3. Because now I need to add 2 to both sides. My job is to get it in y equals mx plus b form. 1 and 1, -1 and 1/3. I'm in debt. -1 and 1/3, and I add $2. Let's do it like that. How much am I now? How much do I have? I'm in debt $1.33. 1/3 is like 33 repeated. But then I add $2. What do I have? I know this is hard. -1 and 1/3 plus 2. It's not 1 and 1/3. 2/3. So, -4/3 x plus 2/3. I don't really have a way to, I could do 2 minus 1 and 1/3. But the problem with this math problem is that I need to change 2 into 1 and 3/3. This is like advanced fractions right now. So that's 2. 1 plus 3/3 makes 2 whole. 3/3 minus 1/3. That's where the 2/3 came from. That's how you do the fraction problem. But again, difficult. So here's my slope-intercept equation. All right. And I'm just reading the directions. Write the equation line in point slope form. We didn't need to do all that work. But on A and B, I'm just going to write it in point slope form. Let's practice. Point slope form. My slope is rise 1, run 2. My point is 3, 2. Point slope form only. Let's stop there. Point slope form only. Okay. Y minus what? Y minus what? 2 equals, Alexis, you can tell me the rest. So y take away 2 equals m, parentheses. Very good, x minus 3. That's great. Yep, that's it. And so we're going to leave it in point slope form. Try B by yourself. Not even with a group. I really just want you to do it quietly on your own. Make sure that you know how to plug in x, y, and m. Okay. The m is what? You had to find it yourself. What was it? What's the slope? Rise or run? Table 2. Or Daryl or Emily, what's the slope of this? B. 1 and what? -4. -1/4. So here we go. Table 7 right here. Hi. Somebody, not Erin, she already volunteered. What do I write? Y minus. I don't want to use a 2 because I don't have a 2 for my x or y or m. Yeah. Y minus -1 equals. Yes. I'll say -1/4, or 1 over -4 is the same thing. And then parentheses. Good job. Okay, now on step 2, I know it says point slope form, but I want it in slope intercept. Which means you need to just get y alone, distribute. Okay, my x comma y is -2, +4, and my m, my slope is 3. So, y minus 4 equals 3, x minus -2, which is x plus 2. So I need to distribute, and then I need to get the 4 over to the other side. Go ahead. Ladies, table 6. What'd you get as your final answer? Volunteer from table 6. Yes. Y equals 3x plus 10. Do you guys agree? Did anybody not get that? Maybe I can go over something or explain why. Okay, you're so quiet. What's going on? My slope for you try A is -1/2. My x is 4. My y is 5. Ladies, table 1. What do I do? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Good job. I'm not going to do, normally in an equation I've taught you, oh, let's clear the fraction. No, no, no. We actually need to distribute. So distribute. Negative 1/2 times x is negative 1/2 x. Negative 1/2 times negative 4. Negative 1/2 times negative 4. Yes, Ryan. Ryan. Positive 2. Yep. Yes, sir. Add 5 to both sides. Negative 1/2 x plus 7. Okay. Do you guys feel like you've practiced enough? I don't really need to do B. I mean, we've already done 4 of them. So, let me stop the video.